In this video, I'm going to show you how you can draw a continuous line on a document using your keyboard on your computer or on a laptop. So if you want to draw a continuous anywhere, it is pretty much simple. You can do it straight using your keyboard. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, you can see I've drawn here a continuous line. I'll go ahead and erase it so that I can show you how I did it. To do it, it is simple. We shall use this key that is just next to 0 here. So just head to your computer or laptop keyboard and identify that key that is just next to 0. Now, if you go ahead and tap on that key, it will not insert a continuous line, but it will insert a hyphen, and several of them will not form a continuous line. So a continuous line should be just below these writings. And for that, now we need to go ahead and change the function of the same key. To change that function, we need to go ahead and change this to the function of an underscore. To do that, go ahead and press one of the shift keys. And then once you have pressed it down, now you can come and tap on this button that is just next to 0. So if you tap on it, you can see it has inserted an underscore. But in our case, we want to draw a continuous line. So to make this continuous, go ahead while holding the shift key, tap several times on this until you get to the length that you are okay with. And in my case, I want it to get to this point, and that is the end of my continuous line. So you can go ahead and draw as many lines as you want, as long as you have pressed down the shift key on your computer keyboard. So that's how you can draw a continuous line on any document using the keyboard on your computer or laptop. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.